What if I told you that the biggest expense in your restaurant isn't rent, staff, or food costs, but it is a decision that you make in the next 30 days about your restaurant POS system? And most owners don't realize it until it's too late. Choosing the wrong restaurant POS system just cost my mates' cafes $20,000 in the first year alone. Not from the hardware, from hidden fees and payment processing rates that he didn't understand. If you're about to pick a restaurant POS system, this mistake could cost you and sink your business before you even open. And today, I'm gonna tell you the exact 5 questions that you must ask any POS companies before signing in any blocking contract. POS companies make it sound complicated because they want to confuse you. Confused buyers say yes to expensive contracts without knowing it. And here's the truth. These are only 5 things that actually matter when choosing your restaurant POS system. Get this right, and you save thousands every year while running smooth operations. Tip number 1. Cloud-based is not negotiable. Forget those old systems with server in your back office. Your restaurant POS system needs to be cloud-based so you can check sales from your phone when you're at the beach or run reports from home at midnight. If a salesperson tells you their server-based system is more secure, they're trying to sell an outdated technology. Cloud-based systems are the only way in 2026. Tip number 2. Check the credit card processing rates. Here's where most restaurant owners get stung. They only focus on whether the hardware costs $2,000 or $3,000. But they ignore the credit card fees that cost them $20,000 a year. Ask about the blended rates. That's the total percentage of your sales that goes to credit card fees each month. Good rate is usually low, like 2% range. Entry level is under 3%. Excellent is 1.6% to 1.8%. If you can negotiate this rate, you're doing brilliantly. On $500,000 in yearly sales, the difference between 3% and 2% is $5,000 straight in your pockets. Tip number 3. Make sure everything works together. Your restaurant POS systems should have everything built in, like gift cards, online ordering, loyalty programs, and they all need to talk to each other. Ask if there is an open API. That's a tech speak for, can I easily connect other apps I need? Because if your POS systems, your online ordering, and your accounting software don't share data automatically, you spend hours every week doing manual data entry. Of course, no one opened a restaurant to do spreadsheet at 11 p.m., right? Tip number 4. Get the report you actually need. Here's what you should be able to see instantly on your restaurant POS system. Day versus night sales. How each server is performing. Your actual labor costs in real time. Which menu items are profitable. If the demo doesn't show you exactly those reports, you need to keep looking. Tip number 5. Make sure it can grow with you. Maybe you're opening one cafe today, but what about in 3 years? Can your POS system handle multiple locations, mobile ordering devices, self-service kiosks, different service types? And if you got a complex menu like pizza with 47 different toppings combinations, make sure the system can handle that for you. That's the ability to get customers customize everything without your staff going mental. Right, here's your action plan for this week. Before you talk to any POS company, write down these 5 questions. Is this cloud-based? What's the blended credit card processing rate? Does it have an open API? Can I see the exact report I need? Will it scale as I grow? Take this list to every demo. The salespeople will respect you more, and you spot the dodgy operators immediately. Which POS system are you looking at? Drop in a comment below and I'll tell you if I've heard good or bad things about it. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you won't miss out on weekly marketing tips for your restaurant. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next week. Ciao for now.